In this video, I'll be showing you how to add background music to your videos in Premiere Pro. Start by dragging in the music of your choice from File Exporter. Alternatively, you can right-click on the project panel and choose Import. Drag the music onto the sequence timeline. Reposition the audio if you need. Hover over the edge, then click and drag the layer to the size you want. For background music, you would typically want to lower the volume. There are two ways to do this. Click and drag in the audio slider points to enlarge the audio layers. You will now see a faint white line on the audio. Click and drag the line down to make the background music quieter. The lower it is, the quieter the sound will be. Typically between -25 and -45 is best for background music. Alternatively, you can lower the volume for the entire track. Right-click on the left track panel and choose Customize. Click and drag the Track Volume option on the track. It will look like a bar graph. Press OK. You will now see a value on the track panel. Select the number and enter the volume you want. You can also click and drag right and left on the value to turn the sound up and down. Your video will now have background music added to it in Premiere Pro.